Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at this beautiful exponential problem. It's a sum of powers, and the question is 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. What will be the value? And then of course we have options to follow. 4 options, and the first one is 27 to the power of 30, B is 27 to the power of 10, and option C is 3 to the power of 21, and option D is 9 to the power of 30. So which of these 4 options will be the correct answer? So I'm going to use 2 methods, and then of course here we have method 1. Method 1, here I'm going to use substitution, and then for method 2, I'm going to use factor method here. Okay, so before we proceed, please, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video, and then of course give me a comment. And then of course for returning subscribers, please, I would like for you to give me a thumbs up, and then like my comment, and then also share my video. Thank you very much. So let's look at the first method, which is a substitution. Substitution method. Okay, so we have 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10, and then we have to find what the answer will be. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to say let a equal to 9 to the power of 10. So if that's the case, the problem will become a plus a plus a, which will give us 3a. And don't forget, we have said that a should represent 9 to the power of 10. So we have 3 multiplied by 9 to the power of 10. Okay, so I'm going to have, in the next line, we have 3 times. Now I'm going to write this 9 as 3 to the power of 2, all to the power of 10. Now there is an exponential rule that we're going to be using here. If I have a to the power of m all to the power of n, then it's going to be a to the power of m times n, which will give us a to the power of mn. So the 2 and the 10 will multiply each other, and so we are going to have the problem to be 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by 10, and then of course this will give me 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 20, and then I'll have 3 to the power of 1 plus 20. And this follows from this rule of indices, that if you have a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n, then it's going to be a to the power of m plus n. So when the 2 index notations are multiplied, I will take the common base, and then of course that is if the 2 indices have common bases. Okay, we take the common base and then add the exponentials or the exponents. So in this case now, the 3 to the power of 1 multiplied by 3 to the power of 20, we have the common base of 3, and then we take out the common base, and we take the common base, and of course we add the 2 indices, which is 1 plus 20, and what that will give us is 3 to the power of 21. That confirms to us now that the result, the answer to this is option C. So let's quickly look at method 2, which is a factor method. So we have 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10 plus 9 to the power of 10. the common factor here, since 9 to the power of 10 is common to all, so I'm going to just take out 9 to the power of 10, and then I have 9 to the power of 10 divided by 9 to the power of 10 will give us 1. 9 to the power of 10 divided by 9 to the power of 10 will give us 1. And then finally, 9 to the power of 10 divided by 9 to the power of 10 will give us 1. And then of course we have 9 to the power of 10 times 1 plus 1 plus 1, that will be 3. So as usual, this 9 is written as 3 to the power of 2, all multiplied by all to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. Of course, the 2 and the 10 will multiply. So we have 2 times 10, and then of course multiply by 3 raised to the power 1. So we have 3 to the power of 20 multiplied by 3 to the power of 1. And of course, according to the rule we have established here, the addition rule, so this becomes 3 to the power of 20 plus 1, and that will be 3 to the power of 21, which further confirms C as our answer. So there you have it, the solution. Thank you for dropping by. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe, like my video, and leave your comment. Thank you, and I see you.